Good morning, friends. Today again we are here to put our hands together to learn English. તો ચાલો આજે જોઈએ યુનિટ 2 ની એક્ટિવિટી 7. મિત્રો એક્ટિવિટી 7માં કેટલાક ઓબ્જેક્ટ્સની લિસ્ટ આપવામાં આવી છે. આજે એ લિસ્ટ વિશે આપણે શીખીશું, સમજણ મેળવીશું અને સાથે સાથે એ વિશે વાંચીશું પણ ખરી. Now let's read it. It is red. It is heavy. I can build a wall with it. I can break a coconut with it. But I cannot eat it. A nail. It is made of iron. It can be tiny, small and big. I can fix it on a wall. I can hang photograph and calendar on it. But I cannot dig with it. Okay, children, let's go to next word. A cup. It is small or big. It can be colorful. I can drink tea and milk in it. But I cannot boil water in it. Okay, children, let's go to next word. Now let's read. A CD. The full name of CD is compact disc. It is round in shape. I can store music, videos and files in it. But I cannot make chapati on it. Okay, children, let's go to next word. A glass. It is made of glass, steel, brass and plastic. I can drink buttermilk, tea, water, lemon water and cold drinks in it. But I cannot cook food in it. Next word. A comb. It is made of plastic and wood. I can comb my hair with it. But I cannot play table tennis with it. Okay, next word. A hammer. I can hit a nail in a wall. I can make furniture with the help of hammer. I can break hard things with it. But I cannot write with a hammer. Let's read about computer. A computer. Computer is very helpful. It is small or big. I can calculate, write, listen and do so many things in computer. But I cannot. Okay, children, let's go to next word. Now let's read. A sheet of paper. A sheet of paper is made of paper. It can be different in size and color. I can make board, ball and other things with it. But I cannot speak with it. મિત્રો આપણે એક્ટિવિટી 7 અહીં પૂર્ણ કરીએ છીએ.
Activity number 8, which is given on page number 23 of your English textbook. First of all, we will take section A. Let us see the instruction. Work in pairs. નીચેના વાક્યો મોટેથી વાંચો અને સરખા ઉચ્ચારવાળા શબ્દો નીચે લીટી કરો. Students, there are 10 sentences given here. Friends, there are so many words in these sentences which have similar pronunciation. Now, what you have to do is that you have to identify the words having similar pronunciation. ચાલો એને સોલ્વ કરીએ. I am Madhav. My left eye is weak. In this particular sentence, see the word I. Spelling is only I. In the next sentence, see my left eye is weak. Here the spelling is E-Y-E. Both the words have different spellings, but their pronunciations are same. Look at the second sentence. Do you know Punjabi? Mehul? Mehul. No, I don't. In the first sentence, the word now is there. Spelling is K-N-O-W. In the second sentence, the spelling is no, N-O. But both the words have similar pronunciation, that is no. Third sentence. Go buy a car, Suresh. Thank you, Smita. Goodbye. આ વાક્યની અંદર બે સ્પેલિંગ્સ આવે છે. એક છે BY, buy, and another is BYE. Both the words have different spellings, but their pronunciation are same. Fourth sentence. Our principal was at the school for an hour. The words are our, O-U-R, and H-O-U-R, our. આ બંનેનું pronunciation same છે, but meaning different છે. Now let's take the fifth sentence. 8 friends ate all the apples. આ વાક્યની અંદર E-I-G-H-T, 8, અને A-T-E, 8. Both the words have similar pronunciation, but spellings are different. Now let's take the sixth sentence. We are at the Somnath temple. We can see the sea from here. આ વાક્યની અંદર see, S-E-E, and S-E-A, see. Let's take the seventh sentence. I ate 2 kachoris. I can take one more, 2. The first one is T-W-O, 2, and T-O-O-2. Both have different spellings, but pronunciations are same. Let's move further. Come here. Can you hear the call of cuckoo? Here. Spelling is H-E-R-E. And here. H-E-A-R. આ બંને શબ્દો સેમ પ્રોનાઉન્સિએશન ધરાવે છે, બટ સ્પેલિંગ્સમાં ડિફર કરે છે. લેટ્સ મૂવ ફર્ધર. ધીસ ઇઝ અ સ્ટ્રોંગ knot. I cannot untie it. K-N-O-T, knot. And second one is N-O-T, knot. આ બંને શબ્દો સેમ પ્રોનાઉન્સિએશન ધરાવે છે, but સ્પેલિંગમાં ડિફર કરે છે. લેટ્સ ટેક ધ લાસ્ટ સેન્ટેન્સ. This is the last week before the examination. Mitali is still weak in her studies. The words are weak, W-E-E-K, and W-E-A-K, weak. આ જે સરખા ઉચ્ચારવાળા શબ્દો છે, એમના મિનિંગ્સ તમારી પાઠ્યપુસ્તકની પાછળ જે વોકેબ્યુલરી પોર્શન છે એમાં એના મિનિંગ્સ આપેલા છે. તો અત્યારે તમારે એ તમામ જે સિમિલર પ્રોનાઉન્સિએશન ધરાવતા શબ્દો છે એમના મિનિંગ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવાનું છે અને તમારે પેપર ઉપર લખવાનું છે. આઈ વિલ give one example and after that you have to do by yourself.
સૌપ્રથમ આઈ. અહીંયા તમે જોશો તો પાઠ્યપુસ્તકની પાછળ આપેલા શબ્દકોશમાં આઈનો અર્થ આંખ આપેલો છે અને આઈ એટલે હું એ તમે જાણો છો. બીજા વાક્ય માટે નો શબ્દકોશમાં બરાબર જોઈએ. જુઓ કઈ જગ્યાએ આપેલું છે. હા, વેરી ગુડ. અહીંયા નો એટલે જાણવું અને નો NO એટલે નહીં. એટલે બંને શબ્દોનો ઉચ્ચાર સરખો હોય પરંતુ તેનો અર્થ જુદો જુદો છે. હવે તમારે વાક્ય નંબર 3થી 10 સુધીના બાકીના શબ્દો છે તે દરેકના અર્થ તમારે જાતે શોધવાના છે.
Now let's start with section B. Section B માં અમુક instructions છે. So first of all, I will read the instruction. Listen it carefully. પુસ્તકની પાછળ આપેલા શબ્દકોશનો ઉપયોગ કરો. ઉપરના વાક્યોમાં લીટી કરેલા શબ્દોનો અર્થ જાણો. નીચે આપેલા વાક્યો વાંચી તે સાચા છે કે ખોટા તે જણાવો. ખોટા વાક્યો સુધારીને ફરી લખો. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, અહીંયા ટોટલ 14 સેન્ટેન્સીસ આપેલા છે. જો સેન્ટેન્સ કરેક્ટ હોય તો એમાં કોઈ પણ જાતનું સુધાર કરવાની જરૂર નથી. બટ જો સેન્ટેન્સ એપ્રોપ્રિએટ ન હોય તો કરેક્ટ વર્ડ પુટ કરીને તમને ફરીથી પ્રોપર વાક્ય લખવાનું રહેશે. સર્વપ્રથમ હું 2 એક્ઝામ્પલ તમારા માટે સોલ્વ કરી આપું છું. પછી બીજા જે વાક્યો છે એ તમારે જાતે કરવાનું રહેશે. સો લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. The first sentence is Mohan is very weak in his studies. The word weak. Now this word is appropriate for the sentence. Let's move towards the second sentence. I am Mr. Nair. આ સેન્ટેન્સની અંદર જે શબ્દ I છે, now this word is not appropriate for the sentence. So we have to rewrite again by making some correction. E-Y-E. I ની જગ્યા આપણે simply I આવશે. So I am Mr. Nair. Sentence number 3. We saw the sea at Veraval last Sunday. In this sentence, the word sea જેનો અર્થ થાય છે દરિયો. Now, this word is appropriate in this particular sentence. So, there is no need to rewrite again. Fourth sentence. My hands are weak. આ વાક્યની અંદર weak શબ્દ છે. એનો અર્થ થાય છે અઠવાડિયો. Now, this word is not appropriate for the sentence. So, we have to write it again by making certain correction. The sentence is like this. My hands are weak. Next, move further. See you again. Harsh, bye-bye, which is not appropriate. So we have to write it again by making certain corrections. See you again, Harsh, bye bye. Next sentence. We can hear noise of the crowd. In this sentence, the word hear, this particular word is suitable for the sentence. So there is no need to write it again. Next sentence. Our breakfast was not ready in the morning, which is not suitable for the sentence. So we have to write the sentence again by making proper word. Our breakfast was not ready in the morning. Let's move further. We see a butterfly in the garden. This sentence is appropriate because the word see is suitable for the sentence. So there is no need to write it again. Come to sentence number 9. We were here in the garden last week. Now the word here is not suitable for the sentence. So we have to replace it. So the sentence will be we were here in the garden last week. Let's come to sentence number 10. The knot of the rope is strong. Cut it. Now, knot is appropriate for the present sentence. So, there is no need to write it again. Come to sentence number 11. I will complete homework in the next week, which is suitable for the present sentence. Let's move towards the 12th sentence. There were 8 books on the table, which is not suitable for the present sentence. So, we have to write it again by making proper answer. And the word word is 8. So the sentence will be like this. There were 8 books on the table. Let's move towards the sentence number 13. Mohan ate all the oranges. Here the word ate is not appropriate for the sentence. So we have to write it again by putting the right word. And the right word is A-T-E. Ate. So the sentence will be like this. Mohan ate all the oranges. Let's take the last sentence. There were only 2 students on the playground. Here the underlined word is 2, which is appropriate for the present sentence. So there is no need to write it again. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મને આશા છે કે તમને આ એક્ટિવિટીઝમાં મજા પડી હશે.
મિત્રો, આજે સ્ટુડિયોમાં મારી સાથે કેટલાક કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પર્સ છે. ચલો આપણે એમને મળીએ અને એમની સાથે વાત કરીએ. ચિલ્ડ્રન, લેટ્સ મીટ અવર ફર્સ્ટ કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પર. Look here. He is repairing a shoes. He is polishing shoes. He mends shoes. Can you tell who is he? Yes, you are right. He is a shoemaker. He is also known as cobbler. Let's talk with him. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Kanabhai.
What can you do for me?
I can mend shoes.
Thank you. Let's meet our next community helper. Children, look here. What is he doing? Right, he is making a furniture. Who is he? Right, he is a carpenter. He can make furniture. Let's talk to him. Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Haribhai.
What can you do for me?
I can make furnitures like benches, tables, chairs, doors, windows, etc.
Children, we met 2 community helpers, shoemaker એટલે કે cobbler and carpenter. Now let's meet our next community helper. Look here. Yes children, what is she doing? Watch it carefully. What is she doing? Yes, she is examining patient. Who is she? Yes, she is a dentist. Children, let's talk to her. Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Devanshi.
Who are you?
I am dentist.
What can you do for me?
I can cure toothache, gums and all problems related to the teeth.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Now let's meet our next helper. Look here. What is he doing? Yes, you are right. He is repairing a tap. Now tell me, who repairs a tap? Yes, children. Right, a plumber. A plumber repairs a tap. He fits a pipe also. Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Ashok.
Who are you?
I am plumber.
Okay, what can you do for me?
I can repair taps, I can fit pipes
Okay,
and etc. etc.
okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Let's meet our next community helper. Children, look here. What is he doing? Right, he is repairing a fan. Now tell me children, who repairs a fan? An electrician. An electrician can repair fans. He also can repair electric items. Let's meet him. Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Ishwar,
Who are you?
electrician.
What can you do for me?
Can repairing power lines.
ઓકે થેન્ક યુ. ચલો બાળકો, આપણે ફ્લોરિસ્ટને મળીએ. હેલો,
Hello,
વોટ્સ યોર નેમ?
my name is Krishna Ben.
ઓ, હુ આર યુ?
I am florist.
વોટ કેન યુ ડુ ફોર મી?
I sell different kinds of flowers for decoration.
ઓકે થેન્ક યુ.
Welcome.
જોઈ બાળકો, ફ્લોરિસ્ટ સેલ્સ ફ્લાવર્સ. લેટ્સ મીટ નેક્સ્ટ કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પર. ચિલ્ડ્રન, લુક હિયર. See, what is he doing? He is repairing a bicycle. So, tell me who can repair a bicycle? Children? Yes, a mechanic can repair a bicycle. Okay, let's talk to him. Hello,
Hello,
What's your name?
Sitla Prasad,
Who are you?
mechanic,
What can you do for me?
can repair a bicycle.
ઓકે હવે મિત્રો આપણે એક છેલ્લા કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પરને મળવાના છીએ. લુક હિયર. સી વોટ ઇઝ શી ડુઈંગ? યસ ચિલ્ડ્રન, રાઈટ. શી ઇઝ ટેકિંગ અ મેઝરમેન્ટ ટુ સ્ટીચ અ ડ્રેસ. નાઉ ટેલ મી ચિલ્ડ્રન, હુ ઇઝ શી? યસ, હુ કેન સ્ટીચ અ શર્ટ એન્ડ ડ્રેસ? રાઈટ ચિલ્ડ્રન, અ ટેલર. A tailor can stitch a shirt and dress. Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Radhika.
Who are you?
I am tailor.
What can you do for me?
I can sew shirt and dresses, everything with clothes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
બાળકો, તમને કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પર્સને મળવાની મજા આવી હશે. ચલો હવે આગળ વધીએ. મિત્રો, આપણા રોજિંદા જીવનમાં આપણને ઘણી સમસ્યા નડતી હોય છે. જેમ કે નળમાંથી પાણી આવવું બંધ થઈ જાય, ફેન બંધ થઈ જાય, દફતરમાં વધારે ભાર મૂકીએ તો દફતર ફાટી જાય, ક્યારેક શર્ટ ફાટી જાય. તો આ બધી સમસ્યાઓ માટે આપણને કયા કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પર્સ મદદ કરી શકે અને કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પર્સની મદદ લેવા માટે આપણે કઈ રીતે એમની સાથે ઇંગ્લિશમાં સંવાદ કરી શકીએ તે જોઈએ. બાળકો, હું કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્પર સાથે જે સંવાદ કરું છું એ ડાયલોગ્સ તમારે ધ્યાનથી સાંભળવાના છે, કારણ કે આપણે જે પ્રવૃત્તિ કરવાના છીએ એ પ્રવૃત્તિમાં તમારે આ જ ડાયલોગ્સનો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે. એટલે તમે ધ્યાનથી સાંભળજો, જેથી કરીને તમે પ્રવૃત્તિ સરળતાથી કરી શકો. ચિલ્ડ્રન, I have so many problems at my home. Let's see them one by one and let's see who can help me in that. My first problem is taps are leaking. Hello,
Hello,
what can you do for me?
I can mend shoes.
Oh, then you are not helpful for me. Thank you.
Welcome.
My next problem is school wall is broken. Let's go to community helper. Hello,
Hello.
what can you do for me?
Can fit taps.
Oh, then you are not useful for me. Thank you.
Welcome.
My next problem is shoes are pinching. Let's go to community helper. Sir, what can you do for me?
I can mend shoes.
Oh, then you are useful for me. How many rupees?
20 rupees.
It's very expensive. Make it for 10,
Okay.
please.
Take it.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Please, sir, please. Okay. My next problem is school bag is torn. Let's go to community helper. Hello,
Hello.
what can you do for me?
Can repair power lens.
Oh, then you are not useful for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
My next problem is shirt is torn. Let's go to community helper. Hello,
Hello.
what can you do for me?
Can sew a shirt.
Then you are useful for me. My shirt is torn. How many rupees?
20 rupees.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you.
Welcome.
My next problem is bicycle is punctured. Let's go to community helper. Hello,
Hello,
what can you do for me?
can repair bicycle.
Okay, then you are useful for me. How many rupees?
20 rupees.
Okay, you are useful for me. I will come. Thank you. My next problem is school furniture is broken. Let's go to community helper. Hello,
Hello.
what can you do for me?
I can make furniture.
I am working in Ujjad Primary School. My school furniture is broken. Will you help me?
Yes, I can help you. What is broken?
10 benches. How many rupees?
500 rupees.
Okay, that's fine. Come on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
My next problem is tooth aching. Let's go to community helper. Hello,
Hello.
what can you do for me?
Can sew a shirt.
Oh, then you are not useful for me. Thank you.
Welcome.
Children, my problem is toothache. I have toothache. Let us meet a doctor. Hello,
Hello.
what can you do for me?
I can cure toothache.
Okay, then you are useful for me. Please. What's your fees, ma'am?
100 rupees.
Okay. Children, my next problem is flowers for Independence Day. Let's go to community helper. Hello.
Hello,
What can you do for me?
I can provide flowers.
Okay, then you are useful for me. How many rupees?
100 rupees.
For this both?
Yes.
That's okay. Please. Thank you.
Welcome.
તમે મિત્રો જોયું ને કે તમારે સંવાદ કઈ રીતે કરવાનો છે.
ચાલો તો હવે તમારા પાઠ્યપુસ્તકના પેજ નંબર 25 ઉપર એક રાઇમ આપેલી છે એક્ટિવિટી 10 અંતર્ગત. તો આજે આપણે તે રાઇમ પણ શીખીશું.
I'm the music man, I come from far away, and I can play. What can you play? I play the piano, bla bla piano, 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 bla bla piano, bla piano. I'm the music man, I come from far away, and I can play. What can you play? I play the big drum. Boom de boom de boom de boom, boom de boom, boom de boom. Mr. Waxin played his flute, guiding the children on a healthy route. No polio, no smallpox ever again. No more a child with any pain. No more a child with any pain.
Today's question: who can sew a shirt? And options are here. Option A, carpenter. Option B, doctor. Option C, tailor. And option D, teacher. So, children, now choose your correct answer and send your response to this toll-free number 63573994